Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. This video is part 2 of a series of how my YouTube/travel journey started. So if you've not seen part 1, go back one video to where my journey started. I will have that linked at the end of this video if you would like to go back and watch that. And this is my intro to where I'm at these days. But now we are getting into where I traveled from Texas to New Mexico. And I spent a lot of my time in New Mexico just because there is so many things to do in New Mexico.
She packs that map by hand, coffee in a dandy can, miles on the dashboard does. She don't need much to trust. Back roads bend like wire, old tires sing desire every town.
As you can see here, I am along the Rio Grande River and through Albuquerque, New Mexico, which I did spend about 2.5 to 3 weeks around this area going dancing, met lots of incredible people, and they were so super nice to me. I went to different caverns, I went to different hiking places. One of the friends that I met, she showed me so many places to hike and so many good restaurants to eat at, and I spent a lot of time hanging out with her. She was absolutely wonderful to hang out with, and I so loved getting to meet her and her whole family. I did get to see Old Albuquerque town. I also got to hike the Chaco Canyon and got to drive around in a lot of different places. I absolutely fell in love with New Mexico, and I really cannot wait to get back to New Mexico. There are so many places that I did not get to see, and I hope you're enjoying this series that I am doing. I believe there will be 2 more videos going all the way to California and back to Michigan. And I hope that you're enjoying the journey, and I'm very sorry for some of the pictures and some of the clips are not as good as they should be. And this was back when I had no skills for tech, didn't know how to operate even a camera on a phone, and I was not aware of making videos in vertical or in horizontal instead of vertical. And so I have improved a lot, and thank you so much for enduring all these videos.
Headlights glow on the gravel, lakeshore air in the glass, small town lights in the distance, and I'm not looking back. Coffee in a paper cup from a place by the feed store sign, Michigan sky hanging heavy, but I'm still feeling fine. Wind in the open windows, storm clouds breaking apart. I got a map full of maybe and a road in my heart. One more mile, take me where the slow roads smile. One more mile, I'm chasing sunsets all the while. Home on wheels,
So on this whole trip I left in January and then I returned to Michigan on April 1st. I never paid for any hotel, nor did I pay for any campgrounds for sleeping. I slept either at rest areas, BML lands, which are my absolutely favorite. I did spend some nights at a friend's house that I met in New Mexico, and I actually helped her with her house, and I spent a few nights at her house, and I absolutely enjoyed meeting the people, and I truly am blessed by the people that I met and the things that I got to see on that trip, and I highly recommend BML Land for anybody and everybody. Pack in, pack out what you when you are there. So peaceful and lovely.
Started with a dream and an old car to roam. Found my freedom where the highways lead me home. One small town at a time, one sunrise to see. Every mile reminds me who I'm meant to be. Windows down, chasing another sky. Every wrong turn leads to one more reason why. Travel around Suzy, come along with me, down every winding back road, wherever life may lead. From mountain views to little towns you've never seen before. Every mile's another memory, another open door. Travel around Suzy, there's always something more. Coffee in the morning, hiking through the trees, finding hidden places carried by the breeze. From Michigan highways to deserts way out west, every new adventure somehow feels like home again. It isn't about getting there, it's every laugh we share, the stories that we'll never plan. The road keeps changing who I am. Travel around Suzy, let's see where this goes. Over every mountain and every road unknown. No matter where tomorrow takes us, I'll be rolling on. One adventure at a time until the daylight's gone. Travel around Suzy, the journey carries on.